Good morning. This is John and Lori from back home with us, and today we're doing a little bit of tractor repair. Hope you like the video, and thanks for watching.
Alright, we got the oil changed, tractor all put back together, new filters. Come back there to this blade. You know, if I remember showing you guys this or not, but show them after here. You can see real close. But right there. See, right there, the blade is cracked. So I'm gonna try to get that thing off there and get it rewelded and looked at. Now that blade is, I don't know how old that blade is. It is a very old blade, but it's I don't use a blade that much, so I'm gonna try to get it fixed and take care of it there a little bit and see what's going on with it. So hopefully it'll last me another 30 years. It's been raining here all day long, and we need it. See what that does. Washer's broke. But I got this blade off my neighbor years ago. It sat back there on his farm forever in the woods. And he gave it to me, brought it home, cleaned it up, and it's been a pretty good blade ever since. So it's kind of wore out. These two bolts, this bottom one, top one, I bought new ones when I got it. The other ones are rusted so bad, there wasn't much left of them. So I'm kind of curious to see what these look like when I take it apart. All that gravel there's from the drive. I graded the drive a little bit there after the loggers got done. Yeah, that boat there's pretty good shape still. Got a little bit of wear right there, but not bad. I know when I bought this thing, that thing was half gone. till I hit the broken foot. Oh yeah. I think she'll come. Boy, smoking hot in. Yeah, then I'll show you this. See the crack a little bit better now. But I'm gonna see if I can get that cleaned up and loaded back up. And see if it'll last another 30 years. Hope I'll make it 30. That boat's in pretty good shape too. Just a little bit of wear right there, but not bad. Oh, where's the net? Oh. So there's the net. Kind of rounded that sucker off, so I might just stick it on grinder and make it next size down, or for metric. See if I can reuse it, or have to, next time in town I'll pick up one. It's probably a $10 nut these days. Alright guys, I'm gonna see if I got that cleaned up there a little bit, that break. And I'm gonna see if I can put a little bead of weld on it, see if it'll help out. Go back. Grab a C-clamp. Yeah, should have known it was gonna take more than that. What was I thinking? quarterback, but can't see that. Maybe. Alright. Let's see what we can do. See what we can do. Alright, little fire in the shower and hit that grease rack. Good job. Yeah, wasn't bad. Little fire, cut that rag. I think I have a fire every time I weld. It's me or something. I think I'm gonna go with it and see what happens. I think I'm gonna just weld that in and grind it down. I think if it don't break, I just need to cut it off and redo it. I don't think I can really put anything on it to make it stay. I think I'm going to just cruise across it and be done with it. Well, not bad. Didn't catch nothing else on fire. So. So. All right. I don't know. Like I said, I'm no pro at welding, but I don't know if I had a hose or not. So back there, but so. Oh, hang on, guys. But I just got rid of the Lincoln stick welder. I had it for, I don't know, 15 years or so, but I was just self-taught to weld. And Lori got this for me for Christmas 2 years ago, so and I really like it. It's been a little learning with that too, but I'm happy with it. I like it, and I like it better than the stick welders. And I didn't know if I would or not, but it's pretty sweet. Hello.
Hey, did you even eat lunch?
No.
I didn't either.
So,
Dinner is going to be ready in 45 minutes.
okay, I'll be done then.
Perfect. How you doing?
Not bad. I was just got done welding this blade.
I haven't heard from you all day.
So now I came in once or twice just for a second.
Oh, I didn't even hear you.
So come out here because you had your meetings and I went to dogs to bark. So.
Oh, I think I did hear you during one, but yeah. Okay.
But
Well, I figured you're hungry. I'm going to be hungry, and dinner's going to be ready, and it's meatloaf, and you like meatloaf.
okay, cool. So
I'm trying to keep you fed because tomorrow.
okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. And then after we eat, I'm going to go to the store and get soft stuff.
So okay, I think you'll just
Apple
go while
sauce,
they knock me
cottage
out.
cheese. Huh?
I think I'll just go right there at Kroger.
It's kind of funny. I'm never going to leave you, Hawkins, and I can't believe you keep saying that. But the second thing is I got an email today saying that I have to stay there the entire time during your procedure.
Yeah,
And I'll show it to you.
you called and told him that.
That's what I did.
So yeah.
But who in the right mind would leave? Would you leave me there
Oh, it is
seriously?
right across the street, and they got.
Would you seriously leave me there?
No, I wouldn't leave you there.
Okay, then I'm not leaving you there either. They want to make sure you are there. If something goes wrong, you are there. They don't have to track you down. They don't have to worry about you not answering your phone. You're sitting in front of their face.
I'm gonna go to Kroger. Be right back.
No. And before I forget, they said you have to wear short sleeves tomorrow
Okay.
because they have to get to your elbow, which is where they will put the IV in for the sedation. So they want to be able to get to you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
All right.
All right. Be in a minute.
Okay, no rush. You got till 4:15 before it's even remotely done.
Okay.
4:15, 5:15. So 40 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. See you soon, babe.
All right. Good.
Bye.
Bye. You guys over a little bit.